A first look at the Grand Egyptian Museum's exclusive preview. Discover the future of ancient history at the Grand Egyptian Museum, GEM, a breathtaking, state-of-the-art facility offering an exclusive preview before its official grand opening. Nestled near the Giza Pyramids, GEM is the largest archaeological museum dedicated to a single civilization, showcasing over 100,000 artifacts, including the full Tutankhamun collection displayed together for the first time. Walk through 12 meticulously curated halls, engage with immersive, interactive exhibits, and marvel at the sleek, modern architecture that beautifully complements Egypt's timeless treasures. This is your chance to experience Egypt's history like never before. Reserve your visit now for an unforgettable journey through the ages. Subscribe our channel and follow us for regular updates and exclusive content.